Hello, educators, school administrators, and education technology enthusiasts. Are you ready to be at the forefront of a groundbreaking approach to children's mental health and resilience? Introducing BRIC, Building Resilience in Children. Now, BRIC is not just another educational tool or another platform or another game. It is a comprehensive, research-backed platform designed to address the critical need for resilience building in our education system. So why does BRIC matter? Now, mental health issues affect more than 20% of children aged 8 to 16. Over 7,000 UK students struggle with social, emotional, and behavioural difficulties. Now, the traditional curricula often overlook crucial life skills like resilience. So what's the advantage of BRIC? We are gamifying learning. So our innovative approach transforms resilience education into an engaging, interactive experience. We offer a suite of tools for holistic resilience building. We have got expert-backed content developed by me and our team of specialists in child psychology and education. We are also flexible in implementation. Our freemium model ensures accessibility for schools of all sizes and budgets. And we have got proven traction. With high funding, successful market validation, and growing partnership, BRIC is poised for significant impact. Now, by integrating BRIC into your educational framework, you're not just teaching, you're empowering the next generation with lifelong skills for mental well-being and success. Don't wait for the future of education. Shape it today with BRIC. So you can contact us to schedule a demo and discover how BRIC can transform resilience education in your institution. BRIC is cultivating strength, one child at a time.